Life throws curveballs. Unexpected challenges and surprises are part of the journey. As a couple, you'll face big decisions. These decisions can shape your future and define your relationship. These decisions can be exciting. They bring opportunities for growth and new experiences. They can also be scary. The fear of the unknown can be overwhelming. The key is to face them together. Unity and support are your greatest strengths. Communication is the most important tool you have. Talk to each other. Share your thoughts, fears, and dreams. Really listen, not just wait to talk. Active listening shows respect and understanding. When your partner shares, listen to understand. Don't interrupt, don't judge, just hear them. This creates a safe space for open dialogue. When they're finished, repeat back what you heard. This shows you were listening and helps clarify any misunderstandings. This shows you were listening. It also reinforces your connection and trust. It also helps avoid misunderstandings. Use I statements. This helps you own your feelings and express them clearly. This helps you own your feelings. It also prevents blaming. For example, instead of saying you always make me feel bad, try I feel hurt when. See the difference? For example, instead of saying you always make me feel bad, try I feel hurt when. See the difference? This approach fosters understanding and empathy. Remember, communication is a two-way street. It's about sharing and receiving. Share your thoughts and feelings openly and honestly. Vulnerability strengthens your bond. Listen to your partner's perspective with an open mind and heart. Embrace their viewpoint and find common ground. Together, you can navigate any challenge. Communication is the bridge that connects your hearts and minds. Subscribe to the Mind Detective channel for more insights and tips on building a strong relationship. Every couple is unique. You have your own dreams, you have your own values. It's important to understand each other's values. What matters most to you? Is it family? Is it career success? Is it adventure? Talk about your long-term goals. Where do you see yourselves in 5 years, 10 years, 20 years? What do you need to do to get there? These goals should be shared. You're a team. When your values and goals align, it builds a strong foundation. You're both pulling in the same direction. This makes tough decisions easier. You're both working towards a common future. Money. It's a big one. It's something that affects every aspect of our lives, from the way we live day to day to the dreams we have for the future. Financial stress can tear couples apart. It can create tension, lead to arguments, and even cause relationships to break down if not addressed properly. That's why it's crucial to talk about money. Open and honest communication about finances can prevent misunderstandings and build a stronger foundation for your relationship. Be open about your finances. Share your financial situation with each other, including your income, debts, and spending habits. Discuss your income, your debts, and your spending habits. Set financial goals together. Whether it's saving for a house, planning for retirement, or budgeting for a dream vacation, having shared goals can bring you closer. Do you want to buy a house, save for retirement, travel the world? Decide what's important to both of you and prioritize those goals. Then, make a plan to achieve it. Break down your goals into manageable steps and create a timeline for achieving them. This might mean making some sacrifices. You may need to cut back on certain expenses or delay some purchases to stay on track. But remember, you're in this together. Supporting each other through financial challenges can strengthen your bond. Create a budget that works for both of you. Track your spending, review your budget regularly, make adjustments as needed. This will help you stay on track and avoid unnecessary stress. Open communication about money builds trust. It shows that you are both committed to your financial future and to each other. It also helps you achieve your financial goals as a team. Working together, you can create a secure and happy future. Section 4. Navigating the emotional landscape. Big decisions come with big emotions. You might feel excited, you might feel scared. These feelings can be overwhelming, and that's completely natural. You might feel both at the same time. And well, that's okay. Emotions are normal. They are a part of the human experience, and they help us understand what truly matters to us. The important thing is to acknowledge them. Talk about your feelings. Open communication is key in navigating these emotional waters. Share your hopes and your fears. Support each other. When you express your emotions, you create a deeper connection with your partner. Remember, you're not alone in this. You're a team. Teams work together and they lift each other up during challenging times. And teams support each other. They celebrate victories together and provide comfort during setbacks. Don't be afraid to seek professional help. Sometimes, an outside perspective can offer valuable insights. A therapist can provide a safe space to talk about your feelings. They can help you navigate complex emotions and find clarity. They can also teach you healthy communication skills. These skills are essential for maintaining a strong and loving relationship. Remember, asking for help is a sign of strength. It shows that you are committed to your relationship and willing to do what it takes to make it thrive. Section 5. Planning for success. Contingency plans. Life is unpredictable. Even with the best plans, things can change. That's why it's important to have a contingency plan. What if you lose your job? What if one of you gets sick? What if your plans fall through? Talk about the what ifs. Discuss your options. Having a plan B can reduce stress. It can also help you feel more secure in your decisions. Remember, you're not just planning for the best case scenario, you're planning for the unexpected. This shows you're prepared. It also shows you're committed to facing whatever life throws your way.